Welcome fellow car lovers. There are two SUVs from Hyundai that are very similar to one another in size, which makes it hard to figure out which is the better SUV to buy. I am talking about the 2024 Hyundai Palisade and the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now, let's go find out how they compare. A new top-spec Calligraphy Night Edition trim joins the Palisade lineup for 2024 and wears blacked-out exterior trim, unique black wheels, black roof rails, and a black leather interior. Dual-zone front and single-zone rear automatic climate control features are now standard on the base SE trim. If you can't already tell just by looking, the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe is a vastly different SUV from last year's model. The dramatic transformation results from both an all-new interior and reimagined exterior design. The Santa Fe's wheelbase has been extended, and now it has 3 rows of seating. All Palisades comes with a 3.8-liter 6-cylinder engine that outputs 291 horsepower, 262 pound-feet of torque, and is connected to an 8-speed auto transmission. The Palisade has a MPG rating of 19 City 26 highway for front-wheel drive and 19 City 24 highway for all-wheel drive. With a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds, you can get one of these starting at $36,650 for the SE to $53,850 for the Calligraphy Night. As standard, the Santa Fe comes with a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 outputting 277 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. It comes with an 8-speed wet dual-clutch transmission and an MPG rating of 20 City 29 highway for front-wheel drive and 20 City and 28 highway for all-wheel drive. With a towing capacity of 3,500 pounds, its starting price is $33,950 to $46,500 for the top Calligraphy Night. The Palisade's V6 drivetrain is nothing but smooth while driving. It also has a more spacious cabin and cargo room than the Santa Fe. It can even be optioned to have heated third-row seats. That is how much the Palisade focuses on comforting bigger families. Despite being more expensive, the Palisade's windshield have been known to crack easily. It also gets only one engine option, unlike the Santa Fe that is available with a hybrid powertrain. Surprisingly, the Santa Fe also has available camera-based rear-view mirror, but the Palisade doesn't. The Santa Fe has a striking exterior design, but the interior is also well laid out with many places for storage. Something unique the Santa Fe offers is UVC sanitizer compartment. Unlike the Palisade, the XRT trim on the Santa Fe doesn't only include different colored trims but also added ground clearance. Although the Santa Fe comes with a hybrid powertrain, the XRT Outdoorsy trim is the only exception for some odd reason. Its wet dual-clutch transmission that doesn't aid in the car's speed will also feel clunky and jerky during low speeds. Lastly, being the cheaper vehicle, it also gets less standard features. In summary, the Palisade may not be available with a hybrid engine, but its V6 powertrain is smooth. To top it off, the car is also more spacious inside and comes with more standard features like dynamic voice recognition, blind spot warning, and highway driving assist, to name a few. The Santa Fe has a bolder exterior and interior design, with its interior laid out to have many storage spaces. It is also the vehicle that is more catered for outdoor adventures. However, its transmission is not smooth during low speeds, not as great for towing, and comes with less standard features. Therefore, the winner is the 2024 Hyundai Palisade. Let me know down in the comments below if you agree or not. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, turn on notifications and subscribe.